ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another affordable wig because y'all love affordable wigs. So today I'm bringing you the Sensational Curls and Kinks Empress Edge Wild One wig. Yes, I'm so excited. So this wig is a wig that I've been seeing reviews on, and I've been seeing mixed reviews, so I just wanted to get it for myself just to see what was the real tea. So here's the stock card. Once again, I have the Wild One wig. I'm going to leave the description and the link to it down below, so don't worry if you miss it. But the inside of this stock card has so much information. So basically this wig is a part of their natural kinks and curl collection, and it's supposed to mimic natural hair. It's supposed to mimic it like a blown out style, and the curls are supposed to mimic like curl rods, and I definitely see it. That's one thing that stands out to me about this wig. The texture of it is so natural, so soft, and it looks and feels like real natural hair. It's also a very light wig, even though it is super duper full. Y'all, this wig is so full, and y'all will see when I put it on my head. It is so big and fluffy. So if you don't like big hair, this might not be one for you, but if you love big and fluffy hair, you might love this one. So here's the wig, and here's the inside. It is an L curved lace, so if you don't like a lot of lace, this is another good wig for you because you don't have to do no plucking, none of that, okay? None of that. It comes with 3 combs on the inside, 2 by the part and 1 in the back. And here's just a more up close look of how the hairline looks in the part. So the part is, not my favorite. I'm not a fan of like the L parts just because I feel like they do look a little bit more humpy, and you can't really do too much about those because you don't have too much lace to pluck and work with. But at the same time, you can always make it work. You just have to do a little bit more heat work, powder makeup work. But I feel like that's easier than having to pluck, so I'm okay with that. It also came with some natural baby hairs. Honestly, I cut the baby hairs off. I didn't really want to use them for this wig. I know I usually do use baby hairs, but I wanted to keep it all natural, so I cut them off. Lace is also Swiss lace, so I had to blend it down to my skin with makeup, but you'll see in the next clip how I do that. So now I'm going to take the hair and I'm just going to pop it on. I will say that this wig, I want to say it fit on my head. Like it wasn't tight, but at the same time, I don't feel like it was the most comfortable or I felt the most secure with this wig on. So I don't think it's the biggest head friendly for me personally. I made it work for the video, but y'all, every time I try to put this wig on now, it feels like it's gonna slide right off. So I don't feel like it's on securely. I have my hair braided down, so I think it is a smaller wig. So if you have a bigger head, just don't waste your time. But here's the wig on. Once again, I do want to point out how the top of the wig looks. I don't like how it looks so humpy at the top. It looks really big and bulky. So that was one con just straight off. But y'all, aside from that, the curls on this wig, the curls are one of the things that I saw in some of the other reviews that people said it didn't match up with the stock card, and I can see that. I don't know what she got on her head, but it don't look like what I got. Like, I don't know what wig that is because it's not the wig on my head, but I still love the curls of the actual wig I'm wearing, so I'm okay with it. Now I'm gonna cut off the lace. If you're subscribed to me, if you've been subscribed to me and you watch my wig videos, you know I don't like cutting lace on camera because I struggle. And I don't like cutting the lace on my head, but one day I'm gonna get it right so I can cut it for real for y'all on camera, or I might do like a video of me cutting the lace on my mannequin head, because just cutting the lace on my head, it's always a fail. But I did want to show y'all how light the lace is, so we're gonna fix that, don't worry. I did put a little bit of makeup on it, but as y'all can see, the lace is just so light. You really have to almost use a darker powder to fix that. And once again, showing y'all those edges. If I cover one side, the other side is not covered. And luckily, I guess like the wig is kind of styled in like the side part, so one part covers one side up anyway, so if I pull one side down, it's fine. But the other side of my hairline is showing because it's not fitting properly. Once again, don't feel like it's big hair friendly. Now, to fix this light lace problem, I'm taking one of my favorite powders. If you already subscribed, you already know. I love this powder by Black Radiance. And it's just like a powder I actually use on my face, and I'm putting it in the hairline so we don't have to pluck, because I know some people commented before, like, I don't like plucking, I don't know how to pluck, I don't want to put a hole in my wig. So makeup is honestly the best way to go. And even if your makeup just kind of fades out, all you got to do is put more makeup and you don't have to worry about plucking. Because if you're new to plucking, sometimes it's hard and you can put a hole in your wig, and that's a whole nother problem. So makeup can fix it. And I will say, after putting this in there, y'all see how the lace was so light that even after putting my makeup on there, it still did not blend. I did end up going back in with a darker powder, and it actually fixed that problem. So I do want to say that. So that's not going to be fixed to the end of the video. And also, y'all, I did not know I had the little string in my hair. So I do take that out at the end. I did not even notice it. It was just chilling in the curls, y'all. But speaking of curls, y'all, my favorite part about this wig was how big and voluminous, that's not the word I'm looking for, voluminous, y'all, I don't know how to say the word, y'all know what I'm trying to say, but I love how big this hair got, and y'all saw it in the beginning. Y'all can go back to the front of the video and look at it now. The more I run my fingers through it, the bigger it gets. I did not try to intentionally mess up the curls and run my fingers through it as much as I probably should have, to give you a better review of like shedding and stuff. But I got a little bit of shedding and just a little bit of tangle. Once again, this is a more kinky natural hair texture and not so much silky, so it wasn't going to be like just run my fingers through it, but it was still soft and gorgeous. I loved it. My pros for this hair would definitely be the volume, the curls, the naturalness of it, the texture, and like just how loose and beautiful it is. So as you see from the back, it still looks just as gorgeous, if not even better from the back, because you don't see all the commotion in the front, okay? You don't see too much in the front. So I really love how effortless, and the length is very nice. It's not too long, not too short. And once again, my only con would be, because it is an L part, you don't have too much lace to work with as far as like plucking it and making it flatter. So it is very full at the top, and it's a little too full for me because it looks very bulky. And I'm not a fan of that look. So if you like it to look big from top to bottom, go ahead, girl. But for me, I actually like my top to be a lot flatter. So the wig does take up to 450 degrees. So I did not use my flat iron or any hot comb in this video because I couldn't find them. But I did afterwards, and it definitely helped. So it can be flattened. You can just tie it down, so you don't have to worry about it looking so big if you still want to get this. Overall, that was my main concern, because we fixed the lace. As y'all can see, it's blending now. It's blending. But y'all, the curls are beautiful. It's only $30. Honestly, $27 on samsbeauty.com. This is not sponsored. I wanted to try this one out myself. So the link is down below for y'all to check it out. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know what other wigs I should try out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.